went anime and they went anime. But you can get your kick and need it, you ain't anime. Hey, mama said that this would happen elementary days. Not the same, this shit happened in a different way.
Yeah, YouTube was good. We back at it again, another day, another video. Before I get into what happened, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notifications because we're dropping videos every day. At the end of the ride out yesterday in Connecticut, a small pack of us, we were heading back to the house. And Rue and somebody else was actually willing in front of me, and I just seen all this glass pop up out of nowhere. And I was like, what the hell? What just happened? So we turned back around, and this guy throws a glass bottle at Rue because he simply hates dirt bikes. Look what happened. How do you guys feel about it? Because it could have got real. It could have got a lot worse. But I felt like it was just us out there. And because we're on dirt bikes, I figured that they already probably called the cops already. I felt like these guys, older guys at that, I felt like they wanted trouble already. And you can see this guy as I pulled up to him that he already grabbed the sign like ready to go. I'm like, yo, I don't even want no issues. I'm just trying to talk to you. I gotta have awareness right now what's going on. I'm not in my own town. I'm in a different city. You know, for me, I hate bringing up the race thing. I truly do not like it. But this situation, it really felt like that. It just felt horrible to me to go through that experience. I felt like it was not cool at all because we have a love for something you hate it. So you're gonna try to hurt us and harm us, and it could have been a lot worse.
Why you do that? Oh, no, wait. I don't want no issues. I'm trying to figure out why you do that.
Because I fucking hate dirt bikes, bro.
What? You're gonna injure somebody doing that, yo.
I don't give a fuck, bro.
Yo, you're gonna injure somebody, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you, you're gonna injure somebody.
Let's go.
For what? We ain't do shit to you. That's not right. Yo, look. Oh, no, we good. Oh, we good. Go ahead. Wait, we good. Go ahead. Oh, we good. We all right. Let's go. I'm ready to go.
So basically during this time, somebody grabbed the guy who threw the glass bottle, glass cup, whatever it was. Somebody grabbed him and then put him inside. And this other guy next to me was just standing there like he was on go. I'm like, yo, you're not intimidating me. You standing there, I don't care. I'm talking to him. You can back him up all you want. I'm still here. But what pissed me off about him was, I was like, yo, so you basically agree with what he just did. And he looked at me and said, I don't care. I don't care. Well, yeah, you ready to box. You ready to fight with something you don't care about. So after that, I wanted to say, now I'm being completely honest. I wanted to be like, yo, F you. But instead of me saying that, I was like, you know what? Have a good day. And I said, yo, we out. Let's get out of here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. This is just the first clip I'm dropping from Connecticut. It's plenty more footage to come from New York and Connecticut as well. So let me know what you guys think. Much love and respect. I'm out.